Go. Action!
One take. It's perfect. Nobody mess up their lines.
Damn it, Buck. No more speaking to us for you. That was great. It was such a new way of doing the movie that I was lost at first. And see, I also didn't really know Deadpool because I'd only known him from. Yeah, I didn't really know who he was. Yeah. So when I went to see the Ryan Reynolds movie, I was like, "What is this?" And I was like, "Oh, about something else." Like I was really confused. Like all the funny should have been funny, but I was more confused at first. I was like, "What's going on?"
Actually, it was alright. The Deadpool one was better.
Yeah,
Deadpool.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
And isn't there talk for a third?
I don't know. We own them all. There's another one. There's a Once Upon a Deadpool, or Once Upon a something like that with Deadpool, and it's Deadpool reading to Fred Savage in his bed. Just yes.
Like in Princess Bride.
Exact same thing. So there's that, and really, it's really the same movie as the first or second, whichever one.
Right.
I think it's the same as the first one, exact same movie, but they add all this into
Right,
it. Like he's reading the story to him instead.
Now, one good thing about Deadpool tools when he's get Deadpool tools when he's going through cleaning up the timeline.
Oh yeah. And he shot himself for doing the Green Lantern. He was like, "Oh yeah, let's forget this happened."
Steps out for the Wolverine. Hey, it's okay. Just clean up. The
Okay,
timeline.
great work, everybody. Cut.